Hi, so in this video we're going to see about friend functions. Before we learn about this, let's just have a quick recap. We learned about private, protected and public, the access specifiers, that private no one should touch, protected means me, and M hierarchy, which means my direct classes, and all those who have inherited from me, and public is when anyone can use it. So we have to separate in these three categories. Sometimes you need exceptions. Such exceptions are called friend functions. Now, if a private variable, someone from outside wants to edit it or access it, in such a situation, we use friend functions. We should try to avoid such a scenario when we code though, because it deviates from the basic object orientation. In any one scenario it deviates, there are legacy codes. Codes which are written long before, like 5, 10 years back. If we change those codes, there might be errors. The general rule is that even if such codes are wrong and not proper, do not touch it. In scenarios such as these, if you want to edit or change the access, we will introduce a friend function which will touch it, or friend classes, giving permissions for the outside party to edit it. So let's say the private member type. The function needs access. So my friend, a function is there, and weapon is there. So weapon.m type is the private variable, and if I try to touch it now, there will be a compilation error. So here I have declared a friend. Also, that's why now let's try to rebuild it again. And you can see the error, it's showing int weapon type. Int m underscore n weapon type is private. So this is an external function which is not part of my class. If the class is in the function, it will be seen like this: weapon colon colon weapon and defined. Here none of that is done, which means it is an external function. So now if you want to access it, weapon.h the function name void my friend weapon A. Make sure to add the keyword before the keyword friend before this. Nothing else. And now that same functionality I'll access and try it out. Now it's showing terminated with 0 stack, which means it's working fine. So this is friend function, where all is suit would be the next question. One would be unit testing, the legacy code. We would test and study it. The unit test is beautiful topic. Now private variables, how do we test it? We use unit code testing. Code by code. Now a lot of frameworks are available for unit testing. So in situations like this, we should use it for max. So thank you friends, and see you in the next video. Bye.